This is Mr. Hanna. Welcome to What the Format. Today we're going to cover the base exponential function in this video. Now, please notice that it's a little different than x squared. Why is it different? Well, the 2 and the x traded places. Remember, in your x squared, the x was the base and the 2 was your exponent. Now the 2 is your base and the x is your exponent. Okay? That's a big deal. Numbers go up much faster in exponential functions than they do in power functions. So x squared will not increase nearly as fast as 2 to the x. There's your shape. Notice I said that the shape is like this, so actually I probably had that reversed, right? There's your shape. That is your, oh, there you go, I had it right. There you go, there's your shape, exponential function. Okay, that's a definite shape. It will change shapes, as we talked about with transformations. So you want to memorize this shape. Now, how did I get those points? Well, let's try 2 to 0. Recall that anything to the 0 power is 1. Don't make the mistake of thinking anything to the 0 power is 0. Anything to the 0 power, no matter what the number is 1. 2 to the 1 power is 2 times, well, it's 2 to the first. Anything to the first power is itself. Now, 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay? What about the negative 1? Well, 2 to the negative 1 is actually a fraction. It's 1 over 2 to the 1. So there's your 1/2. 2 to the negative 2 is 1 over 2 squared, which is 1/4. Now, where are you getting this, Mr. Hanna? Well, guess what? Those are exponent rules. Those are some math facts. Notice that this problem is including math facts from another area. Okay? That happens a lot in math. And as I've mentioned in other videos, you have your math facts, your math skills. Well, math skills is applying math facts. So in this case, you're applying a math fact. So this is a math skill, being able to do 2 to the negative 2 and 2 to the negative 1. If you can't do that or don't know that, you can now clearly see that exponential functions are going to give you a problem, because there are lots of negative exponents with these. And if you don't know what a negative exponent does, because you never learned the rule, or you learned it but you forgot it, here it is coming back. Again, very common in math and science, and especially in science when you get into certain applications. Exponential growth, exponential decay. Okay, they use the idea of positive and negative exponents to do that. It's coming back. It's in other subjects. This is what you want to learn. Now, I'll stop here for today because this is the base exponential function. Okay, we're going to have other videos that go over examples of how to do graph different base or different exponential functions that are not the base one. Anyway, this has been Mr. Hanna. Thank you for watching What the Format, and happy mathing.